In this Scratch tutorial, we will learn how to draw using Sprite. We will create a unicorn, which you can move. When it moved, it leave a rainbow trail. This is the result. Create a new project in Scratch. Give it name, Rainbow Unicorn. When you create a Scratch project, you will get a cat character. A character on Scratch is called as sprite. This time, we will use a unicorn, so delete the cat sprite by clicking this button. To add a new sprite, click on this button, and choose Unicorn 2. To create a rainbow trail, we need to add something to draw. In Scratch, we can draw using pen blocks. By default, the pen blocks are not shown. To show it, click this Add Extension button. Then, select Pen. Now, you will have these pen blocks. Let's start telling the unicorn what to do. At the beginning, we will tell the unicorn to go back to the center of stage. We also will prepare for the rainbow trail by erasing any existing trails. On your unicorn sprite, arrange code blocks like this by dragging and arranging the codes from left side of the screen. The blocks in Scratch are grouped by color. This means, you can drag the yellow blocks from the yellow group, which is events. The blue blocks are from the motion group, and these green blocks are from the pen group. Click on your unicorn sprite. Make sure you select tab code on the top left. Choose each block from different group, and arrange it according to previous guidance. Make sure that you arrange the block in correct order. The yellow block means, we will do something when the green flag is clicked. The blue block is used to put unicorn back to the center of the screen. The green blocks will do several things. The first green block will delete any existing rainbow trail. The second green block will set the trail size to 50. The third green block is used to start drawing rainbow trail. The trails will be drawn when the unicorn is moved. To move the unicorn, we will write code. The unicorn will move when we press arrow button on the keyboard. The unicorn will move up, right, down, or left, depends on which arrow we pressed. On the unicorn sprite, put a code from yellow event blocks. Put this code when space key pressed. We will move the unicorn based on arrow key, so change the space key to up arrow to move the unicorn up. Below the yellow block, add a blue block, point in direction. Click the number on the blue block, and adjust it so the arrow is up. This way, we will ask the unicorn to facing up. Put another blue block, move 10 step. This blue block will tell unicorn to move. Then, to create a rainbow trail, put a block from pen block. Put this block. Change pen color by 1. On coding, we should try our code often. This time, the unicorn should already able to move up. Try it. Click on the green flag. The unicorn should be at the center of stage. If you press the up button, the unicorn will go up and leave a beautiful rainbow trail. But it can only move up. That's okay. We will code the other movements soon. Right, down, and left. The steps to move unicorn for other directions are almost the same with the up movement. So, you don't have to put block one by one. Instead, you can hover your mouse to this movement block. Make sure to put your mouse at the top yellow block, the when up arrow key pressed block. Then, right-click on your mouse, and select Duplicate. See, we get the exact same blocks, from top to bottom. Put this blocks somewhere in the unicorn sprite. We will use this new blocks to move unicorn right. So, change the key into right arrow. And change the direction to right. Click on the number on blue block, and adjust it to right. Now if you click the green flag again, you can move the unicorn up and right. Repeat the process for moving unicorn down. Duplicate one of existing movement blocks. And adjust the key pressed to down arrow. Adjust the direction to down. Last, duplicate one of existing movement blocks. Adjust the key pressed to left arrow, and adjust the direction to left. There, we finished it. Now if you press the green flag, you can have a unicorn that can moves around, and leave beautiful rainbow trail. Good job.